Hiya, and welcome to another one of our review videos. And today we're looking at basic product, the Triton shower head, really, the classic shower head. The reason I've gone for this is it's fixed, there's no turning dials or anything, and so nothing's going to get clogged with lime scale or anything like that, and it's supposed to be really easy to clean. What we got on there, one spray pattern, which we've already said, drench. Apparently it improves water flow as well. It's universal fitting, yeah. That's always a good sign. It's got customer care line there. So Triton's quite well known. This is from the box. We're going to take it from the box. I think.
Where did you get it from and how much was it?
Screwfix, $17.99. Okay, there are cheaper ones, but you know, sometimes you get what you pay for. So just out the box. Now, as simple as that seems, normally you're struggling to get things out of boxes, so at least I've thought about removing it from the box as well, which is quite good. Yeah. Okay, so there's the box. The finish is flawless. Looks good quality. Let's see how it goes. We're just basically swapping it out for this one here. At the moment we're processing it in the bathroom, so let's excuse the mess. So that's the old one off. So it's universal fitting. Let's just go on. The thing I notice about this, and I'll just undo it again, we can zoom in on it. It's got quite good quality thread, the plastic thread, which does help. It goes on nice and tight. Right, so I'm going to turn the shower on. I need to swap it over to that bit there. Well, I think you'd agree. That is sufficient for a shower on its own. There's a lot of power coming out of that, more than we had out of this. So if you were wanting to upgrade a shower, I would recommend this. This would be ideal. I can actually feel the pressure as I'm holding it, which is really good. You're probably wondering, well, they've got this, the rainforest shower, and we've got this. Sometimes if you've got children, you want something a little bit lighter, or grandchildren. So I'm just going to turn that on. Yeah, that's more than adequate. All we do is swizzle a bit of that round, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, but that's just the bracket, isn't it?
Yeah,
that's not the actual thing.
But that is a really good shower option if you want to use that.
So what features has it got on the head? Because it's got a, well, you can rub it, can't you, to get the lime scale off. It has
yeah, which is quite good. So
let's have a look at the head.
Just bear in mind, it hasn't got any. It's one spray pattern and that's it. And you can just rub it to get the bits off.
Yeah. The
lime scale in essence. And because it's so easy to take on and off, you could just soak this in something, providing you don't damage the chrome. Be careful what you're soaking it in. Nice hard rubber. Yeah, I'd say that's the business. That. Again, I know we always give things 10 out of 10, but it does what it says on the box. It's good quality, and it's solved our problem for when the grandchildren come round, or you know, younger people or older people who don't want the force of that rainforest shower.
Yeah.
Basically. So yeah, if you're thinking of buying one, you want to upgrade your shower. I mean, I reckon that would be ideal for if you've got a bath with a shower on it. We used to have one because it seems to push more pressure out. That would be ideal for that situation as well, or just to upgrade your shower basically. Yeah. Anyway, hope that helps somebody if they're looking to buy a new shower head. I'd definitely buy another one. Thank you.